Hi, so this is Brianna and Zio's channel, even though it's not called that. It's called Marcus, I can't remember.
Marcus James.
Marcus James. And this over here is our slime collection and our big party mix.
Sorry guys if you can't really see that much because the thing's stuck on the charger.
Yeah. Okay, so we're going to do the knife test.
I gotta zoom in for this one.
Ooh. Okay, now let's get this bad boy in the container. I clean the plate off.
Clean off all the beads.
Like this. Okay, so we take these two out because those are the same. We're going to do this one. So
Take the tiny pink one out.
Let's put this bad boy on. And we're going to be quick with this. So,
Because this one's kind of runny.
yeah, so this one is like one of those like Instagram swirls ones, not as much as a flat cake one. And this one is like hard, but like soft.
And also very runny.
yeah.
That's the worst part about it.
Okay, let's do the slime.
There's sand in it. Because I don't think that's the plate.
Okay, well, let's put this bad boy in. Oh, poop. Just like there. Okay, now let's get this guy in.
Ooh, the Coca-Cola one.
This one might be my favorite.
I can't tell which one's my favorite yet.
Yeah.
I want to wait until all the slime are finished.
Okay, so this one is a Coca-Cola one, and doesn't make no sound, but
It's a little bit of sounds,
yeah.
but you can mostly hear the plate.
So that's that one. We don't need to put the lid on. And this. Ooh, let's get this poo-poo. Everybody looks like poop at least one time. Okay, this one we already tried. It has a big sound.
It's not really that big.
Okay, that's that turd. You know
Farts.
what I mean. Okay,
Clean off the plate just so we don't get any slime mixed up.
but that would be a craziness.
And you guys can see a little
This
bit of
one's the
foams.
same, so we can take that out. We're not going to really do that camera crate.
We're going to do this one later, like in the video. So
this one is a bright pink
that was a little
one.
too far. A slime went behind the vacuum.
Okay, I'll get that after.
Okay, I got to zoom in for this one. Ooh, and plus this is one of my favorite ones. And me and Brianna are going to describe, me and Brianna are going to say which one's our favorite one.
This one is a little bit too sandy, and
it's way too dry.
it's way too small too, so
And
it's probably going to make more sounds than all the other ones.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that sounds like sand.
I'm going to do one more.
It sounds like when you go to the beach and there's sand there, and like when you like if you do something to cut it, and then it sounds so cool.
This is our last and final one, and this one.
No, we have one more left.
Yeah, one more, and that's the blue one behind the vacuum. Okay, so this one, the blue's just hiding. Okay, this one's sticky, but not sticky at the same time.
I think that one right there and that one make the same amount of sound.
Okay, so our last and final one, and then we will
You gotta go grab it.
do our shadow.
No, we're not gonna do our shadows yet.
So we just did this. This one's not that like runny and stuff. It doesn't make no sounds. This one sucks. Okay, so this is the end of the video. So I just want to say thank you for everyone.
Are we supposed to choose which one's our favorite?
Oh yeah, this one is my favorite.
Oh, I choose the same one. That one.
Yeah. Okay, so everyone, thank you for watching this video. I hope you guys like down below. Hit the bell to be notification. I can't say it properly. Judge me. For whenever we have our new videos. See ya. Bye. Love
And
ya.
always stay positive.
Good job. Bye.